today's video is 5.3 engine, same Tahoe. I figured, you know, I went to change the cam sensor, seen all these other problems. It's like, you know what, well, I got it off. Let me change all this stuff that needs to be fixed. Still got to get to the knock sensors. Already did the cam sensor, already did the oil pressure sensor. But this harness though, oh no. You ain't plugging that back up, risking the wires touching and all types of other shit going on. So yeah, that's that right there. New wire right there. Link will be in the description. Another Amazon part. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start by, you know, cutting that wire. You see it turns pink, but it looks orange. So I think I might push it back a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead, cut that, splice it, show y'all what I'm gonna do from there. WTV, be right back. All right, now quick overview. Got the new harness right there. Put some heat shrink protectors on there, so once I connect it, those aren't exposed. My solder gun right here, the flux, and you know, the stuff to bond it together. All that right there. Extension cord coming out the garage. So next thing you need to know is that your red wire, of course red is 12 volt. Your pink wire is, like I said, it looks orange, but it's pink. The pink wire with the black stripe is going to be your ground, and then the brown with the white wire is going to be your signal wire for your cam sensor. So if you're not able to get to a wire diagram or whatever, that's what it is right there. Red 12 volt, pink ground, brown with the white is going to be your cam sensor signal wire. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, splice those, and tap back in with y'all in a second. Now when you splice your wires and you connecting them, make sure you bend them both at like a 90-degree angle and then twist them. But that's what I did right there. They join a little bit better, hold better, especially once you put the solder on there. You know they're not coming loose. But 90-degree, I'm tying them in. Wish I could show y'all how to do it with both of my hands, but I gotta hold the camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and show y'all how I look afterwards. We'll do one at a time. So that's how it looks once it's all together, nice and flat. That way I'll be able to slide the heat shrink casing up there, burn that, let it fit tight. But next I'm gonna solder it. So let me get to start doing that one. Show y'all how to look when it's all done. All right, y'all. So I got that first one all soldered up. Nice clean solder. It's not coming apart. Put my shirt under it because I ain't want to drop none of the solder and stuff on my engine block, so I went put my shirt under it. But yeah, that's how it looks. That's one wire, the red one. I'll go ahead, put that heat shrink over it and show y'all how it looks once I'm done with that. And then go ahead and put the other two wires together, connect it, call it a day. But yeah, that's the first one. WTV, be right back. All right, so like I said, got that first one on there. Nice and tight. It's not going nowhere. I'm satisfied with it. Go ahead and do the other two and show y'all how it look when it's all done. WTV. Don't ask me how I learned this. If I tell you, you'll be surprised. If you want to know, say I want to know in the comments, and I'll let you know how I learned how to do all this stuff, man. You'd be surprised. I ain't go to school for it or nothing. But if you want to know, say I want to know in the comments, and I'll show you how I learned all this stuff. Once you learn one car, you'll learn it on another car. They all the same. as long as they're American. I don't fuck with no foreigns. But yeah, be right back. All right, YouTube. So I got them all hooked. Looking nice and professional. But yeah, what I'm gonna do just for some extra security, I'm gonna take some slack off of this and just wrap it up with some electrical tape. That way, you know, none of the wires, once I hook everything back up, none of them are hanging close to anything that could get hot or the engine or anything. So, but yeah, that's that right there, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of what I gotta do, and I'll tap back in with y'all in a minute. Dub TV. All right, YouTube, so that's about to be a wrap for this one. I got that harness in. I just threw extra tape on it for security. Had a lot of slack, so I figured I'd just, you know, bunch it up, tape it up a little bit. But now what we gonna do is just go ahead and plug it in. Bam. Fits like a charm. But yeah, Dub TV, man. This one right here was the cam sensor harness, wire replacement. Got it all done. Still got the intake off. Gonna have it off until I do the knock sensors. That's gonna be on another video. Of course, I'm gonna clean all that up before I put the intake back on. Do intake manifold gasket. New knock sensor harness. I'm gonna get that too, but another video for another day. But yeah, man, if this video helped you in any way, like, comment, subscribe, tap in with Dub TV. I'm about to do a giveaway at 500 subs. You never know what it could be. It might be some Apple AirPods, might be an iPhone, you never know. But yeah, once I get to 500 subs, I'm gonna tap in with a random subscriber and you know, send them something. But yeah, Dub TV, man. That wire harness is looking fresh, baby. All right, go.